Coronavirus, COVID-19, SARS-CoV-2.
What is this fuss about? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about coronavirus or COVID-19. Now what is coronavirus? So coronavirus is a virus that is causing an infectious disease which is making everybody ill. Not everybody, but a lot of people ill. Let's see what are the symptoms, treatment, what can you do, what precautions you can take, and what should you do if you've already tested positive for coronavirus. The symptoms: coughing, sneezing, fever, and difficulty in breathing are the symptoms of coronavirus. But also, these are the symptoms of many types of respiratory illnesses. So it's not necessary just because you're coughing or you've got a runny nose, you've got coronavirus. No. But if you've been in contact with a person who's traveled in past 2-3 weeks, then you should tell your healthcare provider about this and get yourself tested. In severe cases, coronavirus can be fatal and the patient might need some breathing assistance. Precautions: first thing is you need to be washing your hands again and again, and making sure that your hands are really clean. You really need to avoid touching your face, your mouth. Use really fresh and clean spoons and forks to eat your food. Avoid using your hands to eat your food. Avoid sharing makeup like lipsticks and mascara. Stop sharing makeup with anybody. Stay away from people 1 to 3 meters. The droplets that carry coronavirus cannot travel beyond 1 to 3 meters. So whenever you're talking to somebody, make sure you are 1 to 3 meters away from the person. Covering your mouth. You can use masks, but if you really don't want to put a lot of money into masks, which are already expensive right now, you can make your mask at home by washing cloth in warm water, adding some Dettol to it, making sure it's really nice and washed, ironing it, punching some holes, putting some elastic, and just wearing it. Obviously, going to protect you from the pollution, the virus, the bacteria, and everything that's around you. Also, keeping rubbing alcohol, doctor's spirit, or a hand sanitizer in your bag is going to help you. Avoid going out, but if you've got to go out, if you're touching things around you, make sure you're sanitizing your hands regularly. Keep washing your hands, sanitizing your hands, stop touching your face. These are the basic things you can do to avoid any sort of infection. Also, you can increase your immunity by having water soluble vitamins like vitamin C or vitamin B. You can also increase your immunity by having good nutritious food, having warm, freshly cooked food. Many people are avoiding meat, avoiding eggs. So if you're somebody who chooses to do that, it's completely fine. But if you're having meat, fish or eggs, make sure they're thoroughly washed and cooked properly. Social gatherings, you really need to avoid that. You really don't want to attend public events and go to public places for next few weeks. Could be annoying for many, but you really need to take some precautionary measures just for a few days. Touching your face. You can obviously touch your face if your hands are properly washed and sanitized. Just really avoid it because that's the best way for virus to enter your body. It's through your mouth, your nose, and your eyes. So we've taken all the measures, but unfortunately been tested positive for coronavirus. So what do we do now? If that happens, you really don't need to panic. Make sure you take a proper treatment from the best healthcare provider. Follow the instructions, take the medicines they've been giving you, and obviously follow the same hygiene. Stay hydrated, have nutritious, well cooked food, and complete the course of medication as prescribed by the healthcare provider. Take proper rest and make sure that you do not panic. So there are some myths about coronavirus which I was reading on the WHO website, and I've just picked some to talk about them. First, it doesn't happen in cold regions. That's not at all true. Coronavirus has nothing to do with the temperature or the climate of any place. Hot, humid, or cool, it can still be there. Hot bath can avoid coronavirus. No, if the virus is already inside your system. Hot bath is not going to do anything, but if the bath is really hot, your skin can get burned. Coronavirus doesn't spread through mosquitoes. At least for now, as per our information, it does not spread through the mosquito bite. No hand dryers cannot kill the coronavirus. Garlic. Garlic is said to boost immunity. It also has some antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. So obviously you can have garlic, but you cannot tell for sure that garlic is going to kill the virus. Right now we do not know about any proper treatment for coronavirus. Antibiotics are not going to avoid it, but if you're hospitalized, you might be put on antibiotics because you might have a co-bacterial infection as well. So please do not deny if you've been given any antibiotics. So guys, this was it. I hope this video was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Stay safe, stay healthy. And I'm going to see you again very soon with my next video. Bye.